Hey, it's Bronze Avery. I just got up. I really wanted to show you the Pride kit that I curated for Noto Botanics. I call this my spicy, what did I say? My spicy sleepover kit, because these are all the essentials you would need if you had a spicy sleepover and you woke up the next day. First is this product called The Wash. What I love about all of Noto Botanics products in general is that they're all pretty multi-use. So you can use this on your face, your hands, your body. There's also this moisturizer cream, which has like the coolest, like prettiest, super multi-use. You can use it for your face, your neck, your hands. And the smell is actually addictive. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, it smells so good. It's pretty small, so I can just like throw this in my bag. We also have the agenda oil, which is the first product that made me ever fall in love with Noto Botanic. Once you smell this, like, you just can't live without it. It's particularly really good as a cologne replacement. If you don't want to like spray cologne, this has a really great scent that actually lasts, and I get compliments on it literally all day. Finally, we have this multi-Benny stick. I use it in the shade Ono Ono. It's a multi-color. You can apply it and use it as a blush. It's actually so gorgeous and just adds a nice life and color to your face, especially after your spicy encounter. Pride is always really exciting to me because we get to explore different ways we can express ourselves. Can't wait to see you all this Pride season. Bye.